Hi guys, I went to Brooklyn Mall today. It's Saturday and I saw a sale from Poetry as I was passing by. They had 20% off of the Stanley cups and I'm so happy. White, the original price is 1.3, but I got it for 1,040. I got a bunch of other things from the mall that I really needed. I got earrings because I lost one earring in the shower, and yeah, so these were for 240. You know, I hope this video comes out nice because I can't see, you know. Woohoo! The second one, the second pair, third pair, and this is the last one. I didn't have much to buy, especially when it comes to groceries and stuff, but the things that I needed. So I got my matcha because I ran out of matcha. I used to drink the one from Five Roses. I really liked it, but since this one was available in store, I decided to buy it. I also love these, the biscuits. They're very nice, super addictive, but they do make my tummy ache sometimes, but I still love them. I also got this toner. I got influenced by the TikTok skincare community. They were really like, this is the girl. Obviously the Kaia sunscreen, I love it so much. I wanted to buy from the face wash, the serum, the day cream, and the sunscreen, but obviously I can't afford all of them at once. I do have the serum and I do have the day cream and the sunscreen now, so next time I'm just gonna buy the micellar water and the face wash, but for now we're here. And then for food, I just got these edibles, blueberries, obviously banana. What's life without banana? My favorite sauce, the Korean style barbecue sauce. Because I love hash browns for my air fryer. That's all I got for food because I really just went grocery shopping I think 2 weeks ago, and I'm still sorted when it comes to food. Also, please don't come for my short hair or the shape of my head. I am trying to grow my hair. I'm taking a break because my scalp needs a break. My hairline needs a break. I need a break. It's very hot and I feel like I did kind of damage my hair, so I had to cut it off. Yeah, get used to it. It's a Monday morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was supposed to be on campus attending my orientation for psychiatry, and then I think immediately afterwards I was supposed to be going to the Weskoppies, but I can't go because I feel very sick. The weather is not good, so I'm going to the doctor. I felt sick over the weekend. I forgot to switch off my fan on Saturday and I woke up sick on Sunday. I thought I'd get better, but I'm not getting better. Like, I feel it's very painful. My nostrils are it's painful, so I'm going to the doctor. And I had intended on doing a full maintenance over the weekend on Sunday yesterday, but I couldn't because obviously I felt sick. The only thing I did were my nails. I just got back from Wonder Park. To be honest, I'm not okay. I'm just gonna take the meds, take a nap, and hopefully when I wake up I feel much better. to prepare for tomorrow because I can be absent for 2 days, but I know I'm gonna be fine. Morning, it's Tuesday, 5:20, I think. Yesterday I just fell asleep. Shame, I've been asleep since. My room is still a mess, but I'll see it. I do feel way better now. If you see me wearing this wig, just know that I'm gonna wear it with a hairband. I'm never installing my own hair again. This is the last time. I don't mind now traveling all the way to Hatfield or finding someone here, because there was a lady who did installations last year around campus, but now I can't find her page anymore, or maybe she graduated or left. I don't know, but yeah, look, that's the best I could do. It's not flat. There's a lot going on, but yeah.
Melissa, I want my pen. You guys use tea. And then we talk about that patient, and that patient is like there. There's no need to be looking at.
3 days later.
They were still selling cigarettes, so we brought a lighter then. And then I feel like it's the reason why. That's if that door is open.
Trust you.
Psychology. Maybe that's what he meant. Psychology, because I'm not forget. It is when. Stay. Yeah, we'll come back. The SMU campus is pretty. See?
Let's start with you.
What is about? I can see loud.
Let's go out for an impromptu brunch date. It's Saturday. I really enjoy being outside my room because my space is too small and it really doesn't take much for this place to be a mess. Okay, but also I do want to go out. You know, the weather is very nice and I just want to go out. I'm eating money that I'm supposed to be using to buy a ticket for a concert, but I think I will ask my dad to help me pay for that specific concert.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, I tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell you what I need, my yeah. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix.
I am at a cafe. It's next to the restaurant I went to, because that restaurant doesn't have dessert, and I also wanna charge my phone because my phone is flat. I also want matcha. Thank you. Need to drink, and I please have a matcha latte.
Give up my babe, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, I really need my dog. I need to free my dog. I need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my dog. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.